Hi, this is Paul Moskowitz with Wave Central. I'm here showing you our NANO SDR Pro wireless transmitter. So you can see it fits in the palm of my hand and can go with any SDR or be mounted on side of any video camera. What it does is allows us to broadcast in H.264 and go to any receiver, be rack mount or transportable or portable receiver. One of the things that really differentiates us in the industry is the way that we encode and decode our videos. That allows us to basically use about a third of the bandwidth of our competitors, which allows us to go further and doesn't have the ability to get interfered with as much as others. It also allows us to pan and move very quickly and keep up with the video that we're seeing. You don't see the drop out of the video. Please leave us a call and find out more information. Again, Paul Moskowitz with Wave Central, www.wavecentralrf.com.